Treasury Bill versus FGN savings bond. Both of them are government debt instrument in the fixed income market. While Treasury Bill is a short-term debt instrument, usually a year, FGN savings bond is a long-term debt instrument, which could be 2 or 3 years. The two of them can be affected by monetary policy rates. I mean, if today CBN decide to tighten or increase the monetary policy rate, then the interest on this fixed income instrument will go up, just like what happened throughout last year. But if on the other end, they decide to maintain a dovish monetary policy rate, I mean a reduction in the monetary policy rate, just like what was done a few months ago, when the CBN authority adjust the monetary policy rate from 27.50% to 27%. That explains to you the reason why what you earn on your money market mutual fund is now reducing compared to what was available in 2024. I don't know whether you have noticed. As at December 2024, 364-day Treasury Bill attracts 23.50%. But today, 364 Treasury Bill attract between 16 to 17%. While the FGN savings bond as at December and November last year was between 19 to 18%. But today is between 13, 14, 15%. Because there is a reduction in the MPR. How do we know which one is more profitable presently? Let's take a look at what I've done on the board. We are looking at November 2025, 90-day Treasury Bill, which is 3 months, attracts 14.63%. Now, on 2 million naira, we have 2 million naira multiplied by the interest rate, multiplied by the 90 days, divided by 365 days, we have 72,147. You can collect it the same day you are doing the Treasury Bill, or you may decide to reinvest it. This was supposed to collect this interest, but don't forget, the Treasury Bill is subject to 10% withholding tax. So we have to take 10% of this interest, then we have 7,215. So this 7,215 now, we are going to remove it from this, then we have 64,932. So this is what you earn at the end of 3 months. Now let's compare it with FGN savings bond. FGN savings bond for the month of November, which is 3 years tenure, interest rate is 14.565%. So 14.565% divided by 100 multiplied by 2 million. So which means in a year, you have to get 291,300. But don't forget, the interest on the FGN savings bond is being paid on a quarterly basis. Therefore, we divide by 4. So it means in each of the 4 months, every 4 months, you get 72,825. That's how I put it here. February, May, August, November. So at the end of first year, you have 291,300. If you want to know how much you are going to get at the end of the 3 years tenure, then multiply by 3. That's why when you multiply by 3, we have 873,900. This one is not subject to withholding tax. Why this one is subject to withholding tax? So if you have decided to do this one for 1 year, which means 3 months, which is 12 times, 4 times in a year. If you multiply this figure by 4, then you are going to have 259,972 naira for 1 year. Meanwhile, the 1 year of this one is 291,300. Both of them are good. It's not